Skin has four main functions. It keeps water and important molecules in the body, while also possessing the ability to keep water and other molecules out. It is tough yet pliable and protects our bodies from mechanical damage, chemical damage, and thermal damage. Without skin, we would be much more susceptible to bacteria, have an inability to insulate ourselves, and ultimately perish lacking the ability to hold water in our bodies. Skin is composed of two tissues, the epidermis and the dermis. The epidermis is avascular and consists of 5 layers: the stratum basale, spinosum, granulosum, lucidum, and corneum. Most of the cells of the epidermis are keratin cells, which produce a protein that makes the epidermis tough. The stratum basale is located closest to the dermis. These cells are constantly dividing and are very nutrient rich. When new cells are formed, some become part of the superficial layers. The stratum spinosum contains thick bundles of intermediate filaments made of pre-keratin. Stratum granulosum contains flattened cells, and the organelles are deteriorating in the cytoplasm. The stratum lucidum is not present in all skin regions, only where the skin is extra thick and hairless, like on your feet and hands. The outermost layer of the epidermis is the stratum corneum, made up of flattened dead cells filled with keratin, which makes the layer especially tough and protective. The dermis plays a large role in maintaining body temperature homeostasis, contains a vital nerve supply which can alert the central nervous system when stimulated by environmental factors, and is what binds the body together. It consists of 2 layers, the papillary layer and the reticular layer. The papillary layer is the top layer and has structures called dermal papillae, which make it bumpy, gives nutrients to the epidermis, and some have touch and pain receptors. The patterns of the papillae are determined from your genes. The reticular layer is the deepest layer of your skin. It is made from connective tissue, blood vessels, sweat and oil glands, and deep pressure receptors. Melanocytes are cells that are spider-shaped and are found in the basal layer. They are responsible for producing melanin, which gives skin color. When there is a lot of melanin in one place, this creates moles and freckles.